Hey, what's going on, you guys? Eli here with Orson Outdoors. Today we're out black drum fishing down here in Central Florida, and wanted to have y'all tag along. Let's go get them.
Well, that sucks.
Ain't been recording?
Nope.
Why are my leaders so far up? I mean, my sinker. I don't even think he knows he's hooked real good yet. He ain't tried to roll. He ain't done
Usually in this cold, they got something. There it goes. They got some spunk to them.
He's shaking and rolling. I hate it when they do that too. Ain't too bad. He ain't one of them monsters though.
Nah.
That's alright. Put Eli on the monster.
I tell you one thing about them though. I bet you he's gonna taste good with some salt and pepper.
Hey, that's about 3/4 of the fish I had at the fish fry this Saturday with black drum. That shit was good.
Yeah.
First half was specks. Big Monroe specks.
Yeah, 40-degree water got them pulling pretty good.
See, these fish like the cold water.
Yeah.
That's why they live in the deep water.
They're still just over there tailing. Look at that freaking thing. Oh my
They come in here
god.
and spawn. This is spawn. Look. 11 o'clock. Come on. Oh, yeah, I see fish.
Yeah.
Oh, they hit him. Come back. Come back. Oh, come back. I love fishing for these fuckers. It's like deer hunting.
Yeah. There are a lot of people that say they don't like eating them. I say you're crazier than hell.
Yeah, they're better than redfish. They just heard the war stories about the worms.
Yeah.
And I have seen it myself.
Yeah,
I've
you
seen
just
it.
pull them out.
No, they're not like trout worms. They're brown when you cut them. Oh, it's nasty.
I got a little selfish on this one, chasing big schools of tail and black drum. And right about here is when I leave the fish catch. Won't do it to y'all again.
Yeah, buddy.
Little black. Hell yeah.
Yeah, he'll eat too.
He'll eat, buddy. That's what we want. They get mean when you get close to them.
No.
That made him mad. Come on, bitch.
I couldn't mess the net job up twice.
Look at this shit, man. It's gonna be tough to catch it. Push on. This is gonna be ain't little.
I'm gonna try to get on one real quick before that school spooks off.
You guys check this monster out. What do you think, about 40 inches?
He's over 40, I guarantee you.
Over 40.
He's hooked there. Big old lips.
Big ugly.
Come on, man. Let's take it like that. I can't pick him up.
It's kind of a push-pull motion here. black drum fillet there.
All right, you guys, it's lunchtime. In case, for those of you that don't know, down here we call black drum Big Ugly, so it's time for a Big Ugly sandwich. Season it with whatever seasonings you like. I'm gonna use some garlic salt. I'm gonna use a little bit of this Everglades heat. Sprinkle it on there. Same thing on the other side. Tell me that ain't gonna be good. All right, you guys, put it into the pan. Nice and hot, a little bit of butter. They're kind of a medium heat, won't take long. It ain't gonna take long, gotta cut real thin, both the same so they cook the same amount of time. And for anybody wondering why we call them Big Uglies, I think it comes from Mr. Blair Wiggins over there off Addicted Fishing. Y'all ain't heard of him, go check him out. Been doing it a long time. If you guys think that ain't gonna be good, I don't know what to tell you. Not only does it smell good, but take a look at that. If y'all wanna see something cool, check this out. It's got a stand on it, so it don't sit on the counter. All right, you guys, we're gonna hit it with a little bit of mayonnaise, some white bread, some mayonnaise. Eventually, we're gonna have a little bit of this sriracha sauce. Go down with a little cheese. All right, you guys, it is done. Add the fish. Check that out. Tell me that ain't gonna be good right there. I know it's gonna be hot. Let's see how it tastes. For any of y'all that think black drum ain't good or they got a bunch of worms, not down here they don't. I give it a run for its money with redfish. But that's all I got for you today. Thanks for checking out the channel. If you can, like, subscribe, share it with your friends. Later.